All right, boys, so I do have something I gotta show you. We got some stuff done on Frostbite, but I'll show you that later in the video. Just a little sneak peek right back there. Yeah, but you're not gonna be able to hear it or see it till later. But obviously, Bill and I were talking earlier, it's just sitting up too high. Yeah, it is. You can't have a freaking coupe sitting on 17-inch chrome ponies sitting up so high. So there's your front. There's your rear. We're gonna take care of this right quick because that just ain't gonna work. All right, guys, checking in. One side out. I'm about to rock and roll around here and get the other side out. There's a million videos on how to do this. Literally nothing to it. Unhook your tie rod. Jack up under the A-arm, undo your strut, lower the jack down, pry bar, make sure you're made your peace with God. But yeah, nothing to it. Get this knocked out. All right, what do you think? Drop her down?
Yeah.
Dude, that was what, 20 minutes?
Yeah, it helps with two people.
Roughly, yeah. 20 minutes. Got the front knocked out. All right, let's drop her down. Of course, I can't turn it with one hand. There we go.
Got it?
Yeah. Come on, baby.
Oh,
yeah. That's better. All right, boys, knocking it out. Got the back springs out. About to cut them up. Cut exactly one coil. Leave your ISOs out. If you know what I'm talking about there, I'm sure you do. And it'll give it a good solid inch to about 1 1/8 drop. We'll be good to go. All right, boys, I'm gonna finish this up, get her on the ground, give you the full reveal. All right, we're done. But I'm gonna pull it over here so you guys can get the full effect of it. So hold on 1 second. All right, y'all ready? Ooh, get some of that. Oh, man, you talk about difference. She got a fat booty, boys. What a difference. Hold on, let's get the low shot from the back. Yeah, meaty little coupe. She's got all the low. Man, look at that. Ah, what in the world? I freaking love it. Now I need to get Pop's car out here and get them both side by side. Guys, come on now. That's freaking epic. So part of the point of this video is don't drive around with your stock springs in a 4x4 height. You ain't gotta do that, okay? You just don't. Pull your stock ones out, cut a coil off of them, make sure you do it right, cut one coil off, and put it back together. And that's what you got. Okay, so like I said, I had a little surprise for you, and you probably saw it while we were doing the springs and earlier. But yes, Project Frostbite has full exhaust on it. Huge shout out to Dover for running it to the exhaust shop this week. Well, we might need some WD-40 there. Huge shout out to Dover for taking it to the exhaust shop this week. I couldn't get out, but start her up, pull the brake, all right, let's rev it up. right, so very possibly Kevin's gonna come out tomorrow and we're gonna get the front bumper cover bolted down, because it is not bolted down. That's why everything looks awry. Guys, look, come on now. Come on. Drive the hell out of this thing. And then also, we gotta line the trunk lid. And then window tint, I gotta get the O2 harness on it. The antenna, we gotta charge the air. Inner fender liners. Man. I absolutely love it. Just for the hell of it. Gotta get it out. I want to see how she sounds and how she rides. It's almost like being in Pop's car, but not. Now, it's not running exactly how it's supposed to be, because I didn't have the O2 harness in it, but it's still running really good. It just kind of goes to cutting up a little bit, and once it goes into open loop. But guys, sounds just like Pop's car. Quiet, smooth. Ride's a little more firm being lowered, but it's good. It's 100% good. Good ride now. It's real firm. The car had Eibach shocks and struts on it already, which they're great. Screws, boys, screws. You slammed white coupe. I like Pop's car, but not. I think I said that again. I've got to get Pop's car out here and get a photo shoot. That is ridiculous. Only you guys that remember this car when we first started it know what that means. Wow. Yes, guys, I have moments sometimes when you bust your freaking ass for so long and build something that was absolute trash to begin with, and it comes out looking like that. That's a good feeling. But do have something else to show you. A little other project we got going on in here. Let's check it out. All right. Make sure I get this door shut. So the little coupe you've seen kind of hiding and lurking in the background, we're getting on it. So essentially just kind of getting this thing all put together for him. He had an engine and lots of miscellaneous stuff. So putting this together, these are just like some E7 ported heads, stock bottom end. I guess it's got a cam. I'm not even sure, to be honest with you. Lots of miscellaneous parts, headers. Yeah, I know this car looks bad. It didn't have a latch on it, if you're wondering why we're not going in a parade or anything. But this car's had a bunch of like crazy work done to it. What's really cool in there, you got your volt gauge, you got your switch, and then you got your two negative positive battery cables to jump it off. Some kind of wild color, I'm not sure what it is. Let's see the inside here. Yeah, she's been sitting a long time. It's got all the gauges and harnesses. Ooh, Spiffy Ford Racing rear seat delete. Yeah. 5 lug. Got all AJE up front. Manual steering. So basically we're just gonna kind of put this thing together, get it running for him, help him out a little bit. That'll be a cool little car. Dig the color. I have no idea what it is, but figure it out. It is going to be carbureted, by the way. So there's that project. All right, guys, that's pretty much going to wrap it up. Big progress on Frostbite. Got the exhaust finally done. Got her lowered, stanced out, looking good. Just a few minor details. Keep an eye out. I'll be announcing the drawing very shortly, and you'll get to meet the new owner of Project Frostbite. It's going to be a good day. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure you stop by marketplace.thefoxcast.com. Post up all your parts and your cars, because I need to buy more stuff I don't need. No, really, I do. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.